day to you guys. How are you all doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the kitchen. Today is Saturday, meanwhile, and I'm so grateful. Uh, I'm so grateful that it's Saturday and I'm at home. Today, I want to be making egg roll. If you've been watching us for a long time, please thank you so much. We love you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for showing us love. And thank you for subscribing and turning off your notification bell. And if you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? I need you to subscribe. Please subscribe and turn off your notification bell. I go on the Facebook, on the YouTube. Can you please share messages? Please, can you help me share? Share. It's so important. Thank you so much for doing that. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Abimbola and you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome. Let's get into the business of the day. So for my egg roll, I'm having eggs. It depends on the quantity of eggs you want to do. But today I want to be doing 15 eggs. I have in here oil. We need oil to fry. We need our butter, our sugar, our flour, nutmeg, baking powder, baking powder, salt, and dried milk. That's what I'm going to be using for my egg roll today. So let's get into it. Well, first, our eggs need to be boiled. So we're going to be boiling our egg. I'm only removing two of it out for my dough. So I'm going to get this egg boiled. I got a bowl here. I'll get my hands washed. I'm going to measure my flour. It's so important. A level of it. One. Two. Three. Four. So I'm going to be sifting it. I'll be pouring in my baking powder, 2 tablespoons. I'll put in my pinch of salt. butter, my nutmeg, my milk, 2 teaspoons, that's my dry ingredients. I'm going to be putting in my sugar, a 1/4 cup, a quarter and a half. So this is all my dry ingredients. I will make a hole in between. I'll pour in my butter in room temperature, and I'm going to use my hand to just mix it up to get my butter in. I'm going to make a well in between. So I'm going to be pouring in water. I'm not putting a lot at a time because I want my dough to be firm, not watery. So I'm adding in more water. I'm going to be adding in a little more flour because my dough is already too. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to put it aside, not too thick, not too watery, not too firm, in between. So I'm putting this aside and allow it to rest. You don't have to overwork your dough. Our egg is boiled and peeled. So you see how it looks like. So now we're going to get into the frying itself. So now I'm going to be pouring in my oil. My pot is already hot. So we need to do a deep fry of it. See the quantity of the oil because we want to have it deep fry. So we're using a pot that is deep in. So our oil is ready now. It's hot. So see what I'm doing? I'm taking dry flour, putting it on my palm, rubbing my palm very well with dry flour. I'm cutting a little of my dough and I'm going to open it in, put in my egg in, and I'm going to fold it to it. Then shape it with my hand. We're shaping to the round ball, and we're going to be dropping it into our oil. Let's do one more. Take it, make sure your hand is has flour, put it in, then shape it back to back to back to back. Then drop it in. Go in. We're going one more time. Our pots can still take one more. So, so look at it in. It's brown enough now. I'm going to be putting it into a plate with kitchen towel. So see, the next batch is ready. So I'm going to be removing it from the oil now. Okay. I'm having the last batch on. Okay. Get my tables cleared. Oh, it's ready. This is how it looks like. Let's get it open and see what is in. Wow, you see, it's cooked. If it's not cooked, when you open it, you will find out that it's still sticky. Now it's cooked. So nice, so tasty, so filling, so refreshing. Mm, it's a nice one. Thank you for watching. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.